Upgrading your home's windows can be a major investment that boosts energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, and improves overall comfort. However, the success of your window installation project heavily relies on choosing the right professionals for the job. In Kendall, where the climate and local building regulations may impact your window choices, finding the best residential window installers is essential. Here's how to make the best decision for your home. Start with research and recommendations. Begin your search by asking friends, family, or neighbors who have recently had window installations for recommendations. Word of mouth is often one of the most reliable sources for finding trusted professionals. If personal recommendations are limited, online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Angie can offer valuable insights into a company's reputation, quality of work, and customer service. Look for installers with consistently positive reviews and take note of how they handle customer complaints. A company that is responsive and willing to resolve issues demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction. Verify licensing and insurance. To ensure you're hiring a reputable and professional window installer, verify that the company is licensed and insured in Kendall. Licensing ensures that the installer meets local regulations and standards, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the project. Don't hesitate to ask for proof of licensing and insurance coverage before proceeding with any agreements. Assess experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to window installation. A company with years of experience is more likely to handle a wide range of window types and potential challenges. Ask prospective installers about their experience in residential projects, specifically in Kendall's unique climate conditions, such as dealing with heat and humidity. Additionally, consider whether the company specializes in specific types of windows, such as energy-efficient models, double-hung windows, or specialty styles like bay or casement windows. Specialists with expertise in your desired window type are more likely to deliver top-notch results. Review product options and recommendations. The best window installers in Kendall should offer a variety of window options to suit your home's needs, style, and budget. They should be knowledgeable about different window materials, such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, or composite, and be able to explain the pros and cons of each. Moreover, a trustworthy installer will guide you toward energy-efficient options that align with your goals, such as reducing utility bills or improving indoor comfort. Energy Star rated windows, for example, are ideal for enhancing energy efficiency and comfort in Kendall's climate. Request references and portfolios. A reputable window installer should have no issue providing references from previous clients or showcasing a portfolio of completed projects. Contact these references to learn about their experiences, including the quality of work, professionalism, and adherence to timelines. Viewing a portfolio can also give you an idea of the installer's craftsmanship and ability to handle various window styles. Get multiple quotes and compare costs. Obtain detailed quotes from at least 3 different window installers. Make sure each quote includes labor, materials, removal and disposal of old windows, and any additional costs. While it's tempting to choose the lowest bid, remember that quality should be your top priority. Evaluate each quote based on the value provided, including the reputation of the company, materials used, and warranty terms. Inquire about warranties and guarantees. Quality window installers in Kendall stand behind their work with warranties on both products and installation. Ask about the terms of any warranties, including what is covered and for how long. A strong warranty shows that the installer is confident in their workmanship and willing to address any issues that may arise. Evaluate customer service and communication. Pay attention to how the company treats you from the initial contact. Are they responsive, attentive, and willing to answer your questions? Effective communication is crucial for a successful window installation project. A company that values customer service is more likely to provide a smooth and satisfactory experience. Conclusion: choosing the best residential window installers in Kendall involves thorough research, vetting for credentials, and evaluating expertise, customer service, and value. By taking these steps, you can feel confident in your choice and enjoy beautifully installed windows that enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. Partner with the right professionals, and you'll reap the rewards of a successful window installation for years to come.